Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding your downloads folder on iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. All of the items you download from Safari and elsewhere online should be saved in your downloads folder. To get to the downloads folder, open the Files app. In the Files app, select iCloud Drive. Your downloads folder will be here. Tap on it to open it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.